We will examine how flora and fauna adjust to their surroundings to thrive in challenging conditions. From the frigid Antarctic to the sweltering desert, all organisms possess unique characteristics aiding their survival. Join us in exploring the fascinating realm of adaptations. Defining habitat. A habitat is the environment where an organism resides. It supplies essential needs: food, water, air, and shelter. Various habitats exist, and organisms display specific traits, termed adaptations, which enable them to flourish in these settings. Let's analyze several distinctive habitats. The desert, characterized by high temperatures and minimal water, receives abundant sunlight. Then the ocean serves as a water habitat, brimming with fish, seaweed, and numerous creatures. The forest, rich in tall trees, hosts diverse wildlife and offers ample fresh air and water. The mountain environment is chilly and exposed to wind, requiring flora and fauna to withstand extreme weather conditions. Each habitat represents a unique environment, with organisms that have evolved adaptations to optimize survival within it. Floral adaptations plants exhibit specialized characteristics, enabling survival in varied habitats. Consider some adaptations for extreme environments. In deserts, cacti possess thick, fleshy stems to retain water, vital for enduring prolonged dry spells. Their spines replace leaves to minimize water loss and deter herbivory. On mountains, deodar trees feature conical forms with sloping branches, promoting snow shedding during winter. This design mitigates branch breakage by allowing accumulated snow to slide off. In aquatic environments, water plants like lilies exhibit broad, floating leaves, effectively capturing sunlight. Their flexible stems enable movement with water currents. The saguaro cactus in the Sonoran Desert showcases waxy skin to limit water loss, storing significant moisture within its stem for extended drought periods. Some mangrove trees inhabit coastal regions, boasting roots capable of filtering salt water, thus surviving in saline conditions that would otherwise be lethal. Animal adaptations. As with plants, animals demonstrate specialized features allowing survival in their ecosystems, known as adaptations. Consider the following examples. Camels, adapted to desert life, possess long legs and broad hooves, facilitating movement across soft sand. Their humps store fat, convertible to water and nourishment as required. Mountain camels feature shorter limbs and dual humps, crucial for enduring cold desert conditions. These adaptations ensure warmth during food shortages. Fish, streamlined in form with fins, efficiently navigate water habitats. Gills enable underwater respiration, extracting oxygen from the surrounding water. The Arctic fox undergoes a seasonal fur color change from brown during summer to white in winter, optimizing camouflage and insulation in snowy landscapes. Mountain goats inhabit high-altitude rocky regions, exhibiting specialized hooves for optimal traction on steep, slippery surfaces, facilitating climbing in rugged environments. Emperor penguins residing in Antarctica possess thick blubber and densely packed feathers, safeguarding against extreme cold. Their anatomical adaptations promote warmth in severe climates. The tarantula frog showcases skin capable of directly absorbing moisture from its surroundings, a critical adaptation for survival in arid habitats. Consider a specific organism that you are familiar with. What adaptations enhance its environmental resilience? Reflect on how a frog effectively thrives both on land and in water. Document its unique traits and share your observations with peers or family members. Take a moment to observe the flora and fauna within your vicinity. Can you identify adaptation mechanisms among the plants and animals nearby? Contemplate how these traits facilitate their survival. Classification of habitats. Let us categorize the various habitats supporting flora and fauna. 1. Terrestrial habitats, land-based. Includes forests, deserts, grasslands, and mountains. Organisms here exhibit adaptations for terrestrial life and environmental challenges. Forests abound with trees and wildlife. Species such as tigers, monkeys, and diverse avian populations thrive in these rich ecosystems. Plants enjoy ample water, and food is readily available for animals. Deserts present arid conditions with limited water. Animals like camels and snakes possess adaptations enabling survival with minimal hydration. Mountains are characterized by cold, windy conditions, with organisms such as deodar trees and mountain goats that have evolved to adapt to these harsh, rocky environments. 2. Aquatic habitats, water-based. Comprising ponds, lakes, rivers and oceans, organisms in these habitats display adaptations for thriving in aquatic environments. Fish inhabit rivers and oceans, equipped with gills for underwater respiration and fins for locomotion. Aquatic plants, such as lilies, thrive in ponds, benefiting from floating leaves and flexible stems that facilitate buoyancy and sunlight capture. 3. Amphibious species. Certain organisms like frogs can exist in both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. Called amphibians, these species exhibit specific adaptations for survival in both realms, enabling swimming in water and hopping on land. In conclusion, organisms possess distinct adaptations that facilitate survival in their specific habitats. Whether through camel humps for desert endurance or fish fins for aquatic movement, these adaptations play a crucial role in their viability within extreme environments. In the forthcoming video, we will analyze the significance of biodiversity. How do organisms contribute to Earth's ecological balance, and what strategies exist for their protection? Stay tuned for insights. Narrator: thank you for viewing. If this video intrigued you, please like, share, and subscribe. Continue exploring the remarkable phenomena of nature. Have you considered how flora and fauna adapt to extreme environments? This tutorial examines intriguing survival adaptations in deserts and mountains. Our objective is to understand their mechanisms for thriving. First, let's define the term habitat. A habitat refers to an organism's living space, offering food, water, air, and shelter. Habitats exhibit extensive diversity, encompassing deserts, oceans, forests, and mountains. Now, let us delineate various habitats. Deserts are characterized by high temperatures and aridity. Oceans abound with a wealth of fish and seaweed. Forests display lush tree cover and diverse wildlife. Mountains are marked by cold, windy conditions, necessitating particular adaptations. Plants exhibit adaptations for survival within extreme habitats. Cacti in deserts possess thick, fleshy stems designed for water storage. These also feature spines that reduce moisture loss while safeguarding against herbivores. In mountainous regions, deodar trees possess sloping branches, facilitating the shedding of snow to prevent branch damage. Aquatic plants, such as lilies, display broad leaves that float, functioning effectively for sunlight capture. Animals also reflect remarkable adaptations. Camels are equipped with long legs and broad hooves that aid locomotion in sandy environments. Their humps serve as reservoirs for fat, which can be metabolized for hydration and nutrition when required. Mountain camels are adapted for cold deserts, displaying shorter limbs and dual humps. These physiological traits are crucial for enduring the rigors of winter. Fish possess streamlined bodies facilitating swimming, complemented by gills for respiratory efficiency in water. Polar bears exhibit thick fur aiding warmth retention, while large paws operate effectively as snowshoes. Each characteristic among species supports their survival in respective habitats. Now consider a specific plant or animal in your knowledge. How does it adapt to its ecological environment? For instance, frogs successfully thrive across both terrestrial and aquatic landscapes. Reflect on its unique adaptations and contemplate sharing these insights with others. As you observe your surroundings, take note of nearby flora and fauna. Are any adaptation strategies evident? Recognize the significance of these traits in supporting survival. Now let's categorize various habitats. Terrestrial habitats comprise forests, deserts, grasslands, and mountains. The organisms present demonstrate exceptional adaptations suited for terrestrial ecosystems. Aquatic habitats reside within water bodies. Fish and aquatic plants showcase unique adaptations for existence in or near water. Amphibians, such as frogs, display adaptability for life in both environments. In summary, adaptations enable organisms to thrive within unique habitats. From camels to fish, these mechanisms define their strategies for survival. Our next video will address biodiversity's significance. Let us examine how life maintains an equilibrium on Earth and explore methods for its preservation. Stay engaged. Thank you for your attention. If you've acquired new knowledge, please like, share, and subscribe. Continue your exploration of the wonders of nature.